So today we're going to walk through 4 examples for comparing mixed numbers to improper fractions. There's a couple ways you can do this. You can convert both to mixed numbers and evaluate, or convert them both to improper fractions. Chances are you may need to do some extra steps like cross multiplication to see which one is greater. Take a look at the 4 examples here. Pause the video and work them out for yourself. When you unpause it, you can check and see if you get the same answers I did. Example 1, 5½ compared to 62 over 12. For this one, I'm going to convert the improper fraction to a mixed number and see if that helps. So 12 goes into 62 a total of 5 times. So 5 becomes our whole number. That leaves us with 2 over 12 remaining, which can be simplified down to 1 over 6, because 2 is a factor of both 2 and 12. I know that 1/2 is greater than 1/6, but just to test it out, you could multiply 1 times 6 and get 6. Then multiply 2 times 1, you get 2. 6 is greater than 2, so therefore 5½ is greater than 62 over 12. Example 2, compare 3 3/4 to 16 over 4. Again, I'm going to look at this one by converting the improper fraction to a mixed number. We divide 4 into 16 how many times? Well, 4, and that becomes our new whole number. And guess what? 4 is bigger than the whole number of 3 in our mixed number, so we know that 16 over 4 is greater than 3 3/4. Example 3, compare 2 3/8 to 20 over 7. For this one, let's convert the mixed number to an improper fraction. We can multiply our denominator of 8 times the whole number of 2, and we get 16. We add 3 to it and get 19. 19 over 8 is going to be compared to 20 over 7. We can then cross multiply our numerators and denominators, and we get 19 times 7 is 133, and 8 times 20 is 160. 160 is greater than 133, so that means 20 over 7 is greater than 2 3/8. Last example. Compare 1 5/6 to 16 over 9. Let's convert 1 5/6 to an improper fraction. We multiply 6 times 1, and we get 6. We add 5 to it for a total of 11 over 6. We can cross multiply. 11 times 9 is 99. 6 times 16 is 96. When you look at the results, 99 is larger than 96, and that tells us that 1 5/6 is greater than 16 over 9. So that's it for comparing mixed numbers to improper fractions. There's a couple ways you can go about it. You can pick whether you want to convert both numbers to mixed numbers or to improper fractions. It doesn't matter. You get the answer the same way. For more math tips and tutorials, be sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Check me out on TikTok at ImproveMath1 or check out my website at improvemath.com. Thanks again for watching.